Hi guys, hope you guys all had a good and safe Halloween. Um, as we get back into school mode for the week, we'll be working in class on Socratic seminaring. So we're going to take our the activity that A cohort started and keep going with that, and then B cohort we're going to start working on this thing called "If I Ruled the School." The next big unit we're going to be doing is on public speaking. So that's kind of the basis of your asynchronous work this week. So you're going to take notes on a PowerPoint that I usually do in class. It just gives you some basic definitions on terms and things and techniques that you need to know about public speaking. Eventually, we will start doing some speeches in class. So this is just getting you all ready and prepared for that. Let's see. Each day, I want you to write in your agenda and make sure you check your grades. Keep on top of those missing assignments as soon as something gets into Power School. If you don't have it done, let's make sure we get on that and keep those grades nice and high. You're going to need to also upload a copy of last week's agenda into Google Classroom. And then anytime you have left after that is for work time, just to get caught up on all of the things that you have from your other classes. I did put two additional things on here. One's an extension activity. It's optional. But if you're interested in some of the election stuff, there's a link to an article from the Washington Post that goes through and shows 3 different paths to victory for both President Trump and for Vice President Biden. It'll probably have the most meaning if you read that on Monday or Tuesday and just kind of go through it and see what the maps say. And this way, if you're watching any of that coverage, you'll have a better idea of what's going on. The other one is just it's a quiz that the New York Times put out earlier. It's kind of for fun. It's just asking if you can tell the difference between a refrigerator for a President Trump supporter and a refrigerator for a supporter for Vice President Biden. And it can go through and explain to you why each one is the way it is at the end if you want it to. All right, so that's it for this week. If you've got any questions or anything for me, make sure and send me an email. I'll see you in class.